Ross doesn't like the watermelon warlord. I feel like people are getting the impression that we drink a whole lot of these. We do.
Yeah.
All right. We got you guys on the Go-Fessional Professional today. That way it's nice and smooth. Today, we're doing a wiring harness delete. Hold on, let me try again. We'll start like a real vlog channel. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna teach you how to do a wiring harness delete. It's the best thing you can do for your car. It increases MPGs, makes it run better, and it's completely, I don't know.
I mean, you were on a roll.
I was.
I mean, it does get you better MPGs.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Yeah, because you'd be on your feet. Yeah, I'm rocking the dad shoes today too. Yeah. What's the screen off? There it goes.
Yeah.
They're like cool dad shoes. So, they're like 11 bucks. But I mean, honestly, shit's kind of slap.
I thoroughly enjoy my area non-laced work boots. I'm fat and I don't want to bend down the lace boots, so you just hold them on.
You can lace them with them in your lap. Oh, you just mean tie them in general?
Yeah, I have to like bend
word.
down. Yeah.
Word. All right, let me get my warlord crack.
Yeah, so this is...
What?
Are they like... Oh, I think I know what they're doing. They're taking out all the brush and trees.
So they can build sidewalks?
So they... Go right to the spark plug light.
Intake manifold delete first.
Yeah.
You're just gonna leave the fuel lines on.
Yeah.
As is a classic meme.
I mean, I don't even think these are hooked into anything. Oh, wait, they were.
Is there a charcoal canister down there?
There is. I just plugged them in because I was like, oh, then we can get it to run. Yeah!
Joke's on us. I love the peaceful serenity of working on stuff in the morning, don't you?
I mean,
just the birds chirping and the in the background.
It is Halloween, so you know they're just getting in the spirit. That random dude with the chainsaw just
walking down. Happy Halloween! Walking down the street. Trick or treat. I choose trick. What?
I don't think I've ever chose trick. Like,
I hate it when old people do that. Like, trick or treat? No, I choose trick. Bitch, shut up and put the goddamn Snickers in the bag.
Put the fun size Snickers in there.
I don't have time for this. I got more houses dead. What happens if I choose trick? Oh, you finna get trick. If there's one thing you don't do on Halloween is stand between that fat kid and candy.
No.
Jeez. You really went all out with the reassembly. You really thought it was gonna run.
I really did.
Me too.
My mistake.
Yeah. Alright, bad. What are we thinking? A Volvo that's not LH 2.4 is gonna work? That's stupid. How can we be so coy, Ross? Let me tell you what, Ross. Somebody should put our asses in a pond, cause we coy. Nice plick action. Dude, these things are great.
Thanks,
Shout out
Braden.
Husky. I just blur that out because they didn't pay us. Shout out Beep. Dude, did I tell you what's making a return soon? My God. What's my least favorite meme I've ever created?
Oh, Honda.
It's making a comeback.
Oh no.
SEMA 2021, baby.
Is that?
You wanna know why?
Why?
I'm gonna tell you from behind the GoPro so you can be shocked, but I can bleep it out. I got accepted for the app where you like to like yeah, Honda Bro's gonna be like
oh no.
I can't wait, dude. I think my favorite thing to do with the GoPro is get the baseball bat shots. You can't see me, but I'm like posed up. Whoa, right there, dude. Right in the chungus.
Right. Right in the kisser. Alright. Oh, shit. Damn it. You know what I forgot?
What?
I left all the clips in for these ones.
For the injectors?
Yeah, here. You wanna...
Oh, I see what they're the ones you have to take the metal out to get them off.
See here. I mean, we're probably not gonna mess with any like wiring like this stuff because we don't know. Like some of this is chassis harness. Actually, most of this is. Except you got this power to power something. I don't know. But
oh, Russ, I need you to have a discussion. This next portion of the video is for Harry Loader, okay?
Okay.
He is a gent from Australia who's been asking me about Volvo stuff for a while now. I keep telling him, you don't need to build the engine. You just throw boost in. So he has an NA car, and he just bought turbo stuff. He got 12B.
Yep.
And he was like...
tiny boy.
Yeah. He was all like... Originally, he wanted to like build this crazy engine. I was like, nah, dude. He's like, well, I run like 40 pounds of boost. I was like, you get some Yoshi Fab rods and that's it. Then you don't even need that. I mean, if you look at your wagon, that's a point of reference. But so he was like, I'm gonna run factory boost for now, and he wants to build an engine on the side, which is cool. Do that.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, well, it's gonna come off.
Well, that's good. It's just broke.
But he was like, ow, running 8. Oh, who's the bastard bitch that put these fucking the fuel rail mounty boys on crooked? Anyway, I was like, yeah, put it on 14 pounds. He's like, it's got skinny rods. So I just sent him a picture of me drifting the white Volvo. I was like, this got skinny rods too. When we was on that 18 PSI, beating the living hell out of it, and Josh from Yoshi Fab was like, there's no way any of those rods are straight. And what did we find in those rods?
Straight rods.
Every one of them.
None of them had a bend in it.
So, all I'm saying, Harry, since I know you watch these videos, is put manual boost control on there, put on 14 PSI and let it rip.
Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't go more than that.
It's
true.
gonna be blowing hot air after like 12 anyway, but... Oh, no, Lord! No way! Can't believe I spilled my Warlord.
I shortened it up for you so we don't have that issue anymore.
No more rain assault.
Yeah. That's like an act against nature. Well, what's nice is that these nuts go into it. Bad thing is now I gotta figure out how to get the...
These are the angles everyone wants. I ain't down with it.
No, it has a magnet on the end. Also, it...
Oh, Westendo.
Yeah.
No, dude, where'd you get that?
My mother-in-law gave it to me.
It's like the ultimate dad tool.
It's come real in handy at work for some weird reason.
You did all of that just to use the backside?
Well, the front has a magnet too.
Yeah, that's what I figured. You went all out just to be like, all right, now we put this away and don't use it like I just showed you.
I should probably inspect the timing belt while we have everything out. Nah.
No slur.
Well, I guess my 86's engine was a 13-to-1 and it was on 91.
Yeah, the Fiesta's 10-to-1. I've run it on 85 before.
Admit.
All right, yoink that doink. Out here in Amish smoking big toys.
Oh yeah.
Did you hook the throttle cable up?
Yeah, I should probably take it out.
You gotta unhook that.
It's a good thing I don't.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the the throttle return spring.
Yeah, it makes it.
While we're in there, do you want to do the piston return spring?
Probably. Might as well.
Yeah.
Go ahead and just
First
shove
Fix
that
has a
in
video
there.
on that.
Yeah, we'll just shove that in there and it'll be fine.
All it square. I keep thinking that is a dipstick for like the trans. I'm like, this is manual. Careful with the wiring. God, no, come on, Rob. You're better than this. Nah, you're not. I think maybe we're underselling ourselves here, Ross. Somebody listed a pretty clean 240 wagon. I mean, way cleaner than this. But it was an automatic NA car with straight pipe with like a 3-inch exhaust tip sticking out of the side, and he wanted $8,300. So I think we can
Put 10,
like 5.
sell it for 10.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I guess with the standalone, this is $30,000.
That's more than it was brand new.
Well, you know,
Doesn't even have AC.
you know how inflation works. I actually don't.
This is actually, I wish that V8 240 didn't have the AC stuff.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people, when they delete AC stuff, they need this bracket to run power steering down here, because power steering is moved up top.
Oh, right.
And so that's actually kind of worth, just that bracket's worth something.
Well, who gives a shit? All right,
Back to what I was doing. The more you know.
Knowledge is power or something.
That's what those lion-ass 90s teachers told me.
Lioness. Oh.
Yeah, there's no coolant in that. Oh!
I'm gonna get this rogue wire. I'll unplug the coil.
Oh yeah. Don't need any of that. What is this for? Oh, this is for fuel pump.
Okay.
I'm gonna need dike.
Boopers.
So should I just take it off this battery terminal? 'Cause we don't need that.
Yeah, I guess. I don't. Oh, that makes sense. That's the wire in there is probably broken, or. Remember how the fuel pumps weren't working?
Oh no! What the fuck does this even go to?
Something tells me it doesn't matter. Okay, well,
What?
I just pulled that apart.
Oh.
So, okay, yeah.
Yep. All right. Self-tapping screw.
Nice. Isn't that where that goes from the factory?
Yeah.
Somebody took it out and then they're like, nah. It was the self-tapper in there. Good lord.
Get that tire eater out. Or not.
So are we? Oh, we're gonna need to pull the ECU plug. Oh. Oops.
Sorry.
God
Continue.
damn. On the mint hood. Can I see the dikes? How are these so dull?
Probably cutting a lot of things with them. They're also hard to break, especially.
Well, Ross, I have a theory. One of these must be the fuel pump. Because now there's nothing connected to the harness that goes under the hood. Except for relays. So, let's see.
We'll have to just get like the battery and apply power to it and see what happens.
Yeah, because here's a red and yellow wire, right? And there's a big red and yellow wire coming from this harness out of this relay. It goes to the ECU. So I assume one of these is the fuel pump wire, which actually is going to make it pretty easy for our harness.
Maybe. Wouldn't be a bad call. I should just, peel this back on there. Oh,
That's all it takes to be a star.
yay!
I want you guys to see what's under this electrical tape. Will you hold that right there?
This?
Yeah. Because I know what's under this electrical tape. Alright, hold that too. There you go. If you buy an old Volvo,
Sorry.
and there's a wire wrapped in electrical tape, that's what it looks like underneath. That's how you know you should be doing this. Something tells me this wire that's attached wasn't doing us much good anyway, so we'll just get rid of it all. Yeah, there it is. There we go. Beautiful.
Sensor and it's not hooked up, the light won't stay on. So,
Oh, really?
yeah. And most of the time with red blocks, if there's oil in it, it's got oil pressure. So,
Good Lord.
full on tank.
Yeah, don't worry.
I didn't know we were in the middle of a construction zone. Jesus Christ.
I was gonna say, it sounded like Tiananmen Square in here.
Remind me next time I do yard work to get one of these.
This is ridiculous.
Oh, they're pulling up on the rock too. Savages.
Oh, watch that fence come out.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for it. Oh.
I'm waiting for him to come running out.
She's like, what the fuck?
There's also a power pole in the way, so he's probably like, I ain't getting out.
Come on, get that fence. Oh, did he just whack the pole?
That just sounded like it. Just all the way.
Oh. All right, so we've done God's work, really. Once again, no more. This harness will never hurt anyone ever again. So all that's left in there now is this is left alone up here, which we could probably just honestly cut all that shit too, just back to here, since this has already been spliced and corrected. But these are the two wires. One goes to the alternator igniter circuit, exciter circuit, so we won't get a charge light, and then it'll actually charge the battery, which is awesome because then everything will work in theory. Knock on that wood.
Yeah, knock on wood.
We can make it work. So yeah, that red wire there is the alternator exciter, we believe. So we left all that, and then all the battery harness, and obviously all the harnesses for the lights and everything. The one thing we have left is coming off of the plug to the spark ECU. For those who don't know, Volvos use two. There's one for fuel and one for ignition. It's stupid. We got a couple wires coming off there that run into the chassis harness. So
We're just seeing if it's this knock sensor plug, and it's broken, and in micro squirt you don't use the knock sensor, so
it would make sense for it to be that knock sensor too, because then it would tell this to pull timing.
yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. We got the wiring harness out. We're gonna go, well, I'm gonna go to my place. We're gonna order all the Mega Squirt stuff, and hopefully within the next couple of weeks they'll be here and ready to rock. I got, you know, a bunch of trips coming, but we're gonna try to belt it out. Like, we can keep getting up and coming out here in the morning and working on stuff. It seems to be pretty productive for us.
Yeah.
So yeah, public service announcement. If you got a Volvo 240 or Volvo anything older than 1988 or 88 or older, do that. Take every wiring harness in the engine bay that controls the engine anyway out. If you're really about that life, you can do it with all the lights and stuff too, but we're not that hectic about it. But yeah, we're just gonna do a basic micro square setup, the just another wideband or whatever that's called now, the Spartan wideband controller. Basic, still non-turbo, just leave it alone. Make it work, make it so somebody can drive it, polish her up, and then push it on to the next owner. I'm really serious about trying to get it on Cars and Bids. I think we should. Good Lord, we're gonna have to title it in probably the year, man. Yeah, since I don't want that $30,000 fine.
Well, I'll let you know about it.
All right. Yeah. But anyway, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at BigB1011. Follow Ross on Instagram at WeGotRoss. Add me on Snapchat at Big Boy.
Big boy.
At Big Boy. Add me on Snapchat at BigB1011 as well. If you want to see a picture of your car featured at the end of this video, send a picture to me at curseforeverhelp@gmail.com. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.